Have you ever spent hours 3D printing a mask only for it to fall apart when it's time to put it together? Whether it's the magnets popping off or the stupid glue getting stuck on your fingers and getting everywhere on the desk. Well, what if I told you that there's a better way? One that is faster, is stronger, and it holds everything together. And so that's what I want to show you in this video is a simpler method when it comes to putting together your 3D printed mask that hopefully will work for you. So before I go into what I wanted to show you, I just wanted to clear the air. Magnets and super glue, they do work. They really do. However, in the past few months that I've been 3D printing, I've noticed that when it comes to putting together a mask that require the magnets, it's just you have to be careful, making sure that the polar ends line up correctly. You have to make sure that they stick. Sometimes when you print a mask, the holes that go where the magnets go, they don't form correctly, and so you have to work with that. Super glue, again, that is also great. Don't get me wrong, I've used that plenty of times, but you have to make sure that it bonds within a certain amount of time. Sometimes it doesn't set as fast as you need it to set. And so you have to kind of wait and hold pieces together. Plus, it can get everywhere. I don't know how many times I've had it all over my fingers. So what I want to show you all is this double-sided heavy-duty tape. I came across this in another video. I can't remember which one, but I saw them putting this together, putting a mask together using this heavy-duty tape. And I decided, what the heck, let's give it a try. So find them on Amazon. You can find them in 3 different sizes. There's the small, medium, and the large, depending on what you need. Easy to peel off and cut into strips, but not only is it durable, it's flexible. You can stretch it. You can peel it off if you didn't form it correctly. You can ply it back on. And that is what is holding this mask together. Can't even see it. You can wear it. Great stuff. But don't take my word for it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So a few weeks ago, I 3D printed a Wolverine mask. I tried to follow instructions with the magnets. I used super glue to try to get the magnets to hold together. Ended up just taping the whole inside because I wasn't planning to wear it and I just wanted to showcase it. But it still wasn't great and it kept on bothering me. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to take it apart and put it back together using this double-sided heavy-duty tape. Cue the music. All right, everyone, so there you have it. Final results, nice and not as sturdy as the Iron Man mask, but I think that's just because of how it's designed. Again, I'm not planning to wear this out. I just want to mount it on my wall and make it look good and not have tape everywhere on the inside. So try it out. Let me know in the comments how it works for you if you decided to give it a try. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. I'm Eric Sauer with Sweet and Sour 3D. I'll catch you in the next one.